Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Hopefully you guys had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Here we go, guys. Now we're in the holiday rush. Santa Claus will be here in no time. Check out these Amazon deals going on now with this company. All you gotta do is click my Amazon affiliate link down below. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now. And check out, and also see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item, and you'll be good to go. Let's see what this is. Number one is coming from Vixic. Let's see what this is. Whoa. Oh, so portable label maker, Bluetooth wireless connection, easy connect with app, print durable labels. Oh, this is cool. Different colors, print clearly. You can also do your income taxes, file them, stuff like that. Maybe your shoe collection or autograph collection, comics, cards, and of course video games. So this thing could be a very handy tool for this new year. I'm going to try to be more organized. I've been trying to say that the last few years, but things get a little crazy, that's for sure. There we go. Drop you guys down right there. I'm going to have to grab my other phone and test this out. I probably have to charge my other phone. Alright, but we could unbox it right now. P3200 is a model number. USB. Got something here. Cutter. Holder. I have no idea what that's for, but we're about to find out. Now here's the unit. So thank you guys for sending me this for a review. And like I said, YouTubers, just click the link down below. Here's a safe link to click. And see what other deals they have going on right now. Free app. I'm not sure what this is by though. Alright, I'll figure that out down the road, I guess. I'll check my emails. But it'll be corrected down. There we go. Pretty retro-y. Got the reset right there, USB, power. I think there's labels inside. That's where you cut it. Alright, there's some samples in there, so that's good. Should be good to go. Alright, we'll just get the app in a second once I find a spot for this thing. Probably by my USB connectors. I have the around here. Label tape, USB cartridge. Okay. Plug this in. Bada boom. It's that easy. Easy peasy. And then just probably cut the labels with. Let me see the app. Be right back. Alright guys, once you get into the Google Play or your iOS, it's called Print Master. That's what app you want to download, or you can scan a QR code, but That's what it's called. And we got it plugged into my USB port through the back. And then we're going to test this thing out. Should be fun. Not sure if there's... Okay. In the back here, you got the green light going. I'll keep it right there. Open it. Print master. Let me log in. I'll just use the Facebook. Okay, access is fine. Come on. Like I said, this is only for the demo, so it's all good. Come on, baby. Come on. Connect now. And it's going to ask you to connect to the Bluetooth while using the app. Allow. Let me see if this is turned on. Search again. Alright guys, once you get it going, connect to the printer, the P3200. It'll ask you to switch, confirm, connecting, there we go. So we got here a new label. You can choose your border, setting, 9 mm or 12 mm. We'll do 12. Now it does come with the laminated label as a sample. So I do believe once you click the link and make sure you add some label makers, or you can buy them probably at a store or on Amazon. You can do stickers. Expression. Text. And this is where you gotta light it out. Right here. The Stout 79. Ooh, that's pretty big. There we go. Confirm. Whoa. Oh. Whoa. Look at that. Just cut it. And boom. Really easy. Really cool. Definitely check them out, YouTubers. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Get one of these portable label makers on the go. And great stocking stuffers. Like I said, easy to use, easy to set up. Alright, be safe. Have a good night.